Today we are going to do leetCode problem number 804 यूनिक मोर्स कोड वर्ड्स। इसमें क्या करते हैं, एक स्ट्रिंग दिया रहेगा। ओके, उसमें उस स्ट्रिंग में जितना भी कैरेक्टर्स है उसको एक पर्टिकुलर पैटर्न से रिप्लेस करेंगे। लाइक ए ये क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है, जैसे एक वर्ड्स दिया रहेगा। ओके, एंड उसका जितना भी उसके अंदर कैरेक्टर रहेगा उसको सबसे पहला आइडिया रहेगा कि उसको एक पैटर्न फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, और ये पैटर्न हम दिया हुआ रहेगा। ओके, वी डोंट हैव टू क्रिएट दैट, ये दिया रहेगा। एंड इसको समझते कैसे है, लाइक ए, ये जो एरे दिया हुआ है वो 26 साइज का है। ओके, फॉर ऑल द अल्फाबेट्स। एंड आई थिंक लाइक या ये पूरा सिर्फ स्मॉल कैरेक्टर्स के लिए दिया रहेगा, मीन्स अपर केस वी डोंट हैव टू डील विथ। ओके, ये सिर्फ स्मॉल कैरेक्टर्स के लिए डिक्लेयर रहेगा एरे। स्मॉल ए के लिए ये जैसे डॉट डैश दिया रहेगा, स्मॉल बी के लिए डैश डॉट डॉट, एंड ये पूरा यूनिक रहेगा इसमें पूरा। तो इसको हम करते कैसे हैं, एंड इसमें हमको फाइंड क्या करना है, वो हम एग्जाम्पल से देखते हैं। देखो, ये एक स्ट्रिंग ऑफ एरे दिया है, मीन्स एक सिंगल नहीं है, एक सिंगल स्ट्रिंग नहीं है, मीन्स एक सेट ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स रहेगा एक एरे के अंदर। ओके, सो दैट्स नॉट अ बिग प्रॉब्लम, लाइक फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग के लिए ही डिक्लेयर करेंगे, बस एक एरे लगा देंगे ताकि वो सारा स्ट्रिंग्स को हैंडल कर ले। ओके, ना इसमें आउटपुट क्या देना है, सबसे पहले ये देखो सारे वर्ड्स जो भी दिया हुआ रहेगा इस स्ट्रिंग एरे के अंदर, वो सबका एक पैटर्न निकाल लेना होगा। ठीक है, ये देखो पैटर्न निकाल लेना होगा, और ये ऐसा सेट पैटर्न देखना होगा कि कितना यूनिक पैटर्न्स जनरेट कर रहा है मेरे एरे के जो भी स्ट्रिंग है उसका कितना यूनिक पैटर्न जनरेट हो रहा है। सो हियर यू कैन सी, लाइक फर्स्ट वाले में एंड सेकेंड वाले में ये बिल्कुल भी पैटर्न बिल्कुल सेम है। ओके, इवन दो वर्ड मेरा डिफरेंट है, बट मेरा पैटर्न बिल्कुल सेम आ रहा है। ओके, नाउ इन सेकेंड वाला मेरे को ये भी वर्ड बिल्कुल सेम है बट पैटर्न डिफरेंट है, एंड दिस इज बिकॉज लाइक सबका सेम सीक्वेंस नहीं दिया। लाइक ए का टू कैरेक्टर स्ट्रिंग पैटर्न है, एंड बी का थोड़ा लंबा है। ओके, सी का डिफरेंट है, ए डी का डिफरेंट है, तो ये सब का डिफरेंट ही रहेगा। सो इससे पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो सेम पैटर्न जनरेट कर दे जबकि मेरा स्ट्रिंग डिफरेंट है। ओके, सो ओके, ना अब इसको हम हैंडल कैसे करेंगे ये वाले प्रॉब्लम को। सबसे पहले तो देखो, ये वाला पैटर्न ये दिया हुआ रहेगा, ये हम लोग को कुछ जनरेट नहीं करना है। ओके, ये दिया हुआ रहेगा, तो सबसे पहले इसको हम एक स्टोर कर लेते हैं अपने प्रोग्राम में। ओके, इसको हम स्टोर करते हैं, एंड ये देखो ये वाला मेरा एक एरे रहेगा और ये स्ट्रिंग साइज करेगा। तो हम अपने प्रोग्राम में भी पहले उसको लिख देते हैं। ओके, स्ट्रिंग इस रख देते हैं। ओके, यस, अब ये देखो, इसको ये जो स्ट्रिंग डिक्लेयर की है ये ए, स्मॉल बी, स्मॉल सी, स्मॉल डी, ये करके 26 तक लेंथ है, ये पूरे का लेंथ 26 तक आ जा रहा है। ठीक है ना, ये तो बस मेरा स्ट्रिंग हुआ ना। अब ये मेरा जो वर्ड्स है ना, वर्ड्स का मेरा सबसे पहले तो ये देखना होगा, ये मेरा वर्ड्स जो है एक सेट ऑफ वर्ड्स दिया है, तो उससे एक स्ट्रिंग एक्सट्रैक्ट करना होगा और उसके बाद उसमें ऑपरेशन कर लेना होगा। ठीक है, तो ये वाला प्रोसीड करते हैं। ओके, नाउ इसको ओके, ये मेरा वर्ड रहेगा। ओके, एंड ये वर्ड्स एरे में रहेगा, तो ये वाला एरे वर्ड्स, ये वाला एरे वर्ड्स में इटरेट कर रहे हैं। ओके, एंड यहाँ से निकलने के बाद मेरा एक वर्ड आ जा रहा है, मतलब ये वाला अगर ये मेरा पूरा वर्ड्स है। ओके, वर्ड्स इसमें थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट कर लेते हैं। ओके, सही जी, सिंगल वर्ड। ओके, सिंगल वर्ड। ओके, अब ये थोड़ा समझने में आसानी होगा, ये मेरा सेट ऑफ वर्ड्स है। ओके, ये मेरा सेट ऑफ वर्ड्स है और ये एक सिंगल वर्ड मेरा सिंगल वर्ड से हम डिनोट कर रहे हैं। ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जब मेरा एक सिंगल स्ट्रिंग आ गया, उसमें क्या करेंगे, एक फंक्शन में क्रिएट करते हैं एंड उसको भेज देंगे। ओके, now what we will do is like this single word, okay, single word, we'll send it to a function like for pattern generation, because for each and every character we have to generate like a pattern. Okay, so we have to be like a transform, okay, transform करना है इस string को उसके गिवन पैटर्न से, एंड ये वाला कभी वी हैव टू यूज दिस, ओके, बिकॉज इसी में सारा कैरेक्टर स्टोर्ड है, तो we'll send this also in that function, and whatever we'll get it from function, okay, so we will store it into a hash map. Now since hash map is okay, we can store it with it with the help of it, but since we have to store it like a unique, okay, see, if I'm getting like this string, okay, and this string, it is unique. We have to be give the output as a unique. We have to keep check of the unique. We don't have to run another loop for checking of the unique thing. What we will do is like we'll create a hash set, okay, instead of hash map I'll create a hash set, okay, and what hash set will do, it's like it will store only the unique strings, okay, it will not store any duplicate strings, so unique thing will be checked by this hash set, okay. Okay, instead of map I'm storing like a hash set, okay, HASET, okay, hash set, okay. Now new hash set, okay, new hash set, I'll store it, so my unique character will be taken care of this, and we generally use our add function dot add, okay, dot add, and here we'll store it like a hash set, okay, hash set dot add, okay. Now um and from here this single word like GIN, okay, GIN will be passed into this with this pattern, okay, with this pattern it will passed into this transform function, okay. Now we will try to create that transform function also, we'll send it to this transform function. Now this transform function will return a string only, okay, will return a string, but it will be a string contain not containing the character, it will be containing like a pattern, like for every character will change it to change it to its subsequent pattern, like for G what is the pattern we'll get, okay, ABCDEFG, yeah, G, it's double dash dot, so G is replaced by double dash dot, okay. Now I is replaced by double dot, so I is replaced by double dot, okay. Now in uh, this is I, okay, JKLMN, N is replaced by dash and dot, okay, dash and dot, so you can see for each character is replaced by its subsequent pattern, we just have to map this like character to its particular pattern in that string, okay. Now how we'll do that, now first of all we'll take all the character part from this string, okay, single word whatever we have generated we'll take from this, and we will write here like a, okay, string, and this is like a string array, okay, and this is a string array. Now what we will do, we have taken a single character from it, and first of all we will create a like a new string, okay, then we have to be like a okay, now from s first of all, you can see it like if my character is G, if I will uh, subtract what will be the from the ASCII character of this G, if I will subtract the uh, first character of like A, okay, then it will be in from 0 to 26 itself. Okay, now what I am thinking is we'll like A is there. Okay, now A is there, so we'll transform like A is there. Yeah, A is there. What we'll do, it's like minus ASCII character of A minus ASCII character of A, that is 97. So we'll minus the 97 from it. So whatever will be the character like CH, A is there. Okay, A is there. Now we'll minus uh, 97 from it. Now we can't minus character with an integer, so integer. Okay, this will give my ASCII value of this character. Okay, like A ASCII value, it will give 97 and it will subtract my 97 itself. Okay, so what I am getting, it's 0. 97 minus 97, 0. So I'll get this from s of string s of 0 position I'll get. So s of 0 position I'll get it. Okay, from here. And if it will be B, like 98 over here minus 97, so it will give 98 minus 97, it will give 1. So s of 1, that will be the second position. Okay, so like this we will get the values. Okay, like this I am getting the values. Okay, now this should be okay, this I will get a string. Okay, and this string should be appended. Okay, now I'll keep a in a normal string I can't append. Okay, normal string I can't append. It will, I think I should try once. Okay, string is equal to new string, if I am taking. Okay, initially my string will not contain anything, and if I am okay, should change like, okay, yeah, it's perfect. And then string plus. Okay, now every time this will be added. Okay, and then I am like returning this string, and this returned string will be added. Okay, this return string will again go to this function and it will add to the hash set. Okay, and this string will be of just one word. Okay, of one word, and it will be unique. Now if I'm putting like for GIN, I'm passing the corresponding character over here. Now it will store it in the hash set. For ZEN, if I'm calculating the corresponding pattern over here, and I'm sending it to this call function, and then again it will not store because it's duplicate. Okay, now only once hash set will not store any duplicate. So this pattern is already present, so it will not store again this one. Okay, this character will not be stored. Then for third one, it will go search the pattern, store it in a string. Okay, and then again it will return and it will store it. So automatically what ultimately I'll return is hash set size. Okay, dot size. Okay, hash set dot size. Now I think it's perfect. Let's run and check. Okay, now, yeah, what error? Illegal star of expression. What is it? What is it? Okay, new string of array, and it will be not this bracket. Okay, it will be the curly braces. Okay, I should modify this one. Okay, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, I was expecting this one. This is because basically we can't make changes to this string, so we have to include like a string buffer. Okay, string buffer or a string builder we have to use. Okay, yeah. String builder, new string builder. Okay, new string builder. Now I think it should run, and then yeah, this will be like dot append end append function. Yeah, it will add it, it will be whatever the string will be there, it will be added to the end. And yeah, here we have to return string because it's storing like a string, and but here it is like a string builder, so here we have to convert dot to string. Okay, dot to string. Here we have to change it again before passing it to the main function. Okay, now here, okay, this should be capital. Yeah, I think it should run. Oh my god, what's the problem? Cannot be connected to. What is it? Not given this bracket size. Hmm. Dot to char array. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Char array. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. So this was, now the problem that was occurring, it was here, like it should be a two string function, it should be there. And yeah, we have taken string previously, so we have seen like for string it will not, because string it will not, we can't use string and modify it. Okay, because string it's like a don't have so much of functions, so that we can append it. Okay, or we can not delete individual characters from it also. So we'll, in that case, we'll generally use a string builder. Okay, so here, and what is the error was coming, like to carry, yeah, we have taken like a character, okay, from the string. Each and for obtaining each and every character from a given string, we have to do like a to carry, we have to convert it. So it will, if it is like anc, if it's like a gin, okay, so it will be converted to like a g. Okay, g I n. Okay, okay, it will be converted to like a this thing. Okay, it will be converted to like this, to character array, and then each and every character will be extracted, and then it will be processed. And for it will go to the S array. It will search for that particular pattern corresponding to that particular character. Okay, pattern it will search, and it will append it to the string variable over here, which is of the form string builder. And since this event, this array will be completed, okay, so each and every character will be has been already processed. So once we are moving out of this array, now the string is containing the pattern to with respect to all of the characters present, and then ultimately it will return, and it will be stored in over here, okay. And then and after we are proceeding, after this for loop, we have already processed like each and every string, okay, because this was the operation for the first string, okay, first string of this like gin, and then it will similar way it will process for the other subsequent strings, okay. And ultimately, since hash set is using storing the unique pattern, so ultimately the output will be like a hash set dot size, like whatever the pattern has been stored, it will be unique itself, and the number of pattern that we have stored, it will return, okay. So yeah, this was about the unique Morse code words. Okay, hope you are getting. If you have any doubt, please put it on the comment section. And you have any of the new ideas how to solve this in a more unique way, then please do put it in the comment section. Okay, thank you.